Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today, I'm gonna give you the highlights of Eat Bulaga. At ang pinaka-special na bahagi niyan ay ang duet ni Alden Richards and May Mendoza ng Imagine You and Me. Huwag na nating patagalin, kahit medyo masama aking pakilasa. Meron tayong sipon, medyo makarhat ang ating lalamunan. Madali lang yan. Isang ubo lang yan. Highlight number 1, dumating si Daddy Dudong. Pero yung pagdating niya, natabunan lang ng isang eksena. Ang pagsayaw ni Daddy Dudong ng Trumpets Challenge.
Daddy, no!
Divina, my love, my baby, I miss you so much,
Daddy,
Divina.
buti po nandito kayo ngayon. Happy Father's Day po.
Thank you, Divina.
Highlight number 2, sumaling Aldab sa Bulagaan. Pero natakpan din yon ng ilang mga eksena. Yung mga pribadong eksenang nakunan sila ng camera na tipong mga high school students na nagtatanuhan ng favorites habang hindi nakatingin yung teacher.
Ating mga darasan, magdodonate sa isang lapis at isang papel. Invento ko lang yun. Nasta! Mark Zuckerberg!
Next highlight, ang pagsayaw ni Alden Richards at ni Daddy Bay ng Trumpets Challenge. Medyo folk dance ang dating ng sayaw ni Daddy Bay. Pero whatever, cute pa rin siyempre. Rare. Very rare na mangyari yung ganun. So that makes it special. Sabi ko kanina, ang pinaka-special ay ang duet ni Alden Richards and May Mendoza ng Imagine You and Me. Again, wag nating patagalin. Isang ubo lang yan. Ha!
All my life I was dreaming. All my life I was searching. All my life I was seeking for someone I can truly call my own. Then you arrived all of a sudden. Without a warning, it was you
that through your skin, don't you ever go astray. What I would give to make you feel okay, I would gladly give it all away. It would be nice to have you in my life. Will it be a chance for you to give it a try? It would be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together eternally.
And I hope you see that I would love you. Imagine you and me. I've waited my whole life just to meet you. And now that you're here, I don't think I could lose you. This will be the best day of my life. Imagine you and me together eternally. Imagine you and me together eternally.
Wala pang umaawa.
At muli, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagtugaygay. Parang investigador. Eksakto! Mag-iimbestiga tayo. I'm gonna make a sort of investigative report on Maine Mendoza's name in the movie Imagine You and Me. Bakit G-A-R-A ang napiling pangalan? Paano ito bibigkasin? Gaano kaimportante ang paglikha ng isang mataginting sa pandinig na pangalan ng bida upang makatulong sa kanyang tagumpay sa takilya? Ito ba'y mapapabilang sa mga klasikong pangalan na kasing kilala at kasing popular at kasing klasiko ng mga artistang gumanap sa kanila? Malalaman natin yan sa sunod lamang nating Chika Berts. Soon. Once again, this is your friend Roberto saying, arigato gozaimasu. Thank you. Isang ubo lang yan.